In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur the background of your videos in CapCut on the PC. So let's go straight to the video. Okay, so once you are inside CapCut, the first thing that you need to do, obviously, is to import the clip that you want to blur the background. So in this case, I have this clip that I'm going to import, and you need to drag the clip on the timeline. So once you have dragged it in the timeline, you need to click on Effects here on top. Then you need to click on Lens if you have it, or if you have the previous version, you need to click on Basics, and then you need to find the blur effect. As you can see, I have it right here. Once you have found it, you can drag it in the timeline on top of the clip, and make sure you extend it to the whole length of the video. And from here, you can regulate the amount of blur that you want. I'm going to blur it at 85%. So once you do that, you need to export this file. So go on File, Export. I'm going to export it in the download folder, and then going to press Export. Okay, so once you exported this clip, just delete it and import it back into CapCut. Now what you need to do is to import the previous clip, the original one, onto the video, select it. Now you need to go on Cut Out, and you need to click on Auto Cut. So with this option, it will automatically cut the subject from the video. It will take some time, and as you can see, it correctly cut the subject from the clip. So the background now is blurred. Now, if you don't see it blurred, make sure that this clip the subject is on top of the background, because otherwise you won't be able to see the subject. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for other content.